Hey everyone, so today we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show y'all how I assembled this bed frame. All right, I got this from Amazon. So let me just stop all this talking and just get into the video. Thanks for watching. So when I got here to this point right here, I'm thinking I'm done. All right. I was getting excited and I was like, you know what? Where are the slats? So this is me putting the slats down. And each one of these slats have like a Velcro strip on them. Now, if I could rate this between 1 and 10 when it comes to the difficulty of putting this together, I would definitely rate it a 5.5 to a 6. Okay, personally for me. So, all right, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. See y'all next time.